Hello everyone, do you want to know about Opress.com? Watch the video because today we are going to give you unbiased review regarding this website. It is an online store, it's just like an e-commerce website dealt with different items related to fashion and household. The portal originated in Hong Kong and provides other products such as decorative items, bedding, furniture, party wallets, watches, party bags, candle stands, frames, etc. On their official website, they have mentioned their contact number, their physical address. The email address that is mentioned on the website is not matching the domain name, which is making it doubtful. The contact number has been mentioned and the name for the contact person are also mentioned. As far as payment methods are concerned, they are accepting PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. The positive point of shopping from this store are the terms and conditions are descriptive and overall all the legal points. A site map is given for the better insight. The privacy policy is mentioned clearly. The negative point of shopping from this store are the website has a big chance to be copied from other portal, which is another scam website. Customer reviews are not available. It is not advisable to trust this scam website. There are no connection with any big platform like Quora and Reddit. No social media presence could be found regarding this store, and they are offering too huge discount, which is not good to trust, and the given prices are also too high to be true. So in our final verdict, we are going to say that it is not suggestible to indulge in such a new website. Such unreliable portals may be lead to fraudulence, and it will be danger for you to lose your money if you shop from this store. So it's better to stay away from this website and save yourself and your money by the end.